Be on the video now.
Oh, goddamn kid.
There you go.
Hey, sidewalk's nice and clean. We don't need to clean that.
There you go.
You're doing a great job.
Seth, don't do that. That gets it dirty.
Yeah?
There you go. That's the thing that's dirty.
What?
The car.
Tell me when you're done and I'll take over.
Their center already cleaned it.
Oh, they already cleaned the sidewalk?
This is my favorite color, light green.
Bright green?
Yeah.
Oh, great. Can I use it for a second?
Yeah. I'm a big one.
Really good.
Help me get soap off.
Nope, you're stuck with it now. If you do that, you're just going to get more soapy.
How many times are we going to wash the front of the car?
Till it's clean, obviously.
My
Shane ran out of soap.
You know what, Davis? I think there's only two, so you gotta wait till Audrey or Seth are done.
No. We need more soap.
Yep, I think we're all done, Seth. I think it's all clean.
Okay, get the front of the car. Front.
What?
Front, over there. Don't get your sister wet.
Run away, Audrey! Run away! Run away!
Okay, go to the front of the car now. Get all the soap off the front.
What? You're gonna get all wet again? Davis.